Bees, grasshoppers, and little frogs are in my hole. They wanna be my wife, but they all be like too squishable to me. Wouldn't I just squish the fuckers? Yep. God damn it, motherfuckers. I want something that I don't want to squish, guys. He doesn't want to. But we could be too, maybe to humans. But I squish bees when I lay down and they can sting me and stuff like that. What the fuck? You think green for yellow jackets and grasshoppers just go in your hole? Yep! Motherfuckers! That's how they do in your hole. Grasshoppers, bees, the small frogs. That's all. They are squishable, not movable. Yeah, we miss you. Because you should all you get as an animal life is the bees and grasshoppers. Yeah. The animal kingdom in Michigan's making fun of you. Yep. Those motherfuckers in Michigan, those are assholes. They only giving you those? Yep. Motherfuckers. How far is Michigan? Across the ocean, but won't know. But why would you not choose? You're not trying to kill us. Look, I just wish for something better. That's when you. But why would you? Bees, yellow jackets, little frogs. Yep. You're going to make any man, one of you. Yep. Oh, God, we haven't too many of them. Trying to see what type of animals they are. Gonna be. So technically, yellow jackets, bees, frogs. Only bigger animals are deers. And I don't know the others. We will take charge of your first child. Because all I get is small animals.